Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin's price action has been quite interesting this week. The downward yellow trend line, which had held Bitcoin below a certain price since the beginning of this week, was finally broken yesterday. After my last video, we saw a perfect retest of this trend line before Bitcoin shot up to our first target at the yellow horizontal line of $95,100. Unfortunately, we were rejected from this level. Currently, Bitcoin is consolidating between two yellow horizontal lines, ranging from $93,200 to $94,500. As of recording, Bitcoin's price is hovering around $94,200. I'd recommend keeping a close eye on the 50 and 200 EMAs. If they cross again on the 1-hour chart, it could signal the start of a strong uptrend. Let's take a look at the liquidation heat maps. On the 1-week heat map, we've seen a significant inflow of Bitcoin shorts over the weekend. The hottest liquidation leverage pocket is still between $96,000 and $99,000, just as I mentioned in yesterday's video. However, the 2-week heat map tells a slightly different story. Here, the hottest pocket is lower, ranging from $91,000 to $90,000. This could mean we clear out the lower levels first before heading higher above $100,000 again. But as always, nothing is guaranteed in this market. Now let's dive into the bull market's comparison chart from BitBo. According to this chart, we're currently at day 238 since the last breakout. This is notable because the previous cycle began its major upwards movements at this exact same point. Historically, the average number of days to a new all-time high is 498. Once again, we're at day 238. For those unfamiliar, the bull market's comparison chart maps out Bitcoin's price performance across different eras, determined by block reward halvings. These eras are defined by the subsidy amounts starting from 50 Bitcoins in Era 1 and gradually halving to 3.125 Bitcoins in our current Era 5. The chart scales historical prices to align with current era price data, offering an insightful way to evaluate where we might be heading based on past cycles. If the historical patterns hold true, we could be in for some exciting price action in the coming months. But as always, it's essential to approach this market with caution and a plan. That's it for today's update. If you're looking to connect with a community of like-minded traders and share insights, make sure to join our free Discord. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on my Bitcoin updates. And see you in the next one.